Guys, this is a quick video on how to erase your name from a package. You know, sometimes it's hard to get rid of your name. Well, I found a way. We used to use Sharpies. We used to have to cut the labels out. I found something easier. A little cotton ball and some nail polish remover. So I'm going to show you how nice and easy. I already erased my name. I'm going to show you how easy it is just to erase completely. It doesn't leave any trace. Erases completely. Okay, can you see that there? Let's go a little further to show you the level that you can erase where there's nothing. No name, no nothing. If you want to erase some of the barcode, you could. You want to erase the tracking number, you could. You want to erase any of this information, you could. Point is, you could erase it. That is the cool part of this whole thing. So instead of going through a whole bunch of different things to cover it, you can literally erase it with nail polish remover. Bye.